Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you what does spending mean on Snapchat using your Android phone. So if you want to know what does spending mean on Snapchat, just keep on watching and let's get started. Let's go to Snapchat app. So there are two things, that's why it's spending. First is you have a bad internet, or second is because the user is not your friend in Snapchat. So let's go to chat. Then as you can see here, I have a lot of pending chats here. So let's tap one of the conversation. Then as you can see here, there is a pending warning. Or for some reason, maybe the person blocked you, and that's probably the scenarios you will encounter if there is a pending warning here. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!